Spanish scenes which for now can only be admired from afar, but may become a reality in the coming weeks. Air bridges or travel corridors, agreements between countries so their residents can move freely between them without having to undergo quarantine for 14 days. They've already been established in some EU member states. Latvia, Lithuania and Estonia have created a travel bubble between them. Where you can arrive from without having to quarantine is what the Irish government is discussing. The focus is on criteria, how to decide which countries Ireland should connect with. But there's a warning that opening up borders will lead to a second wave.
The first stress test for the system is going to be what happens in August as the Irish people decide whether they travel overseas or not, because we will inevitably have imported cases coming back into the country. That is going to stress the testing system.
A dilemma is emerging about what to do with our nearest neighbour, Britain. The long-standing common travel area between the two countries allows free movement across the Irish Sea. However, public health overrides this agreement, according to some.
I think this is above politics and above the common travel area, and while that may create some conversations and issues, what we all have to be mindful of is that we need to see that in England or Germany or wherever we're thinking of travelling to, that progress is being made steadily on tackling the spread of the virus.
European officials are also currently drawing up a list of countries from outside the bloc who they say should be barred from entering the EU due to high infection rates and other issues. That could include the United States.
The first being the health situation in that country. The second being the ability to apply during transport from that country the containment measures that serve to reduce the risk of transmission of the virus. And then the third criterion would be whether we can agree with that country to have the same type of travel arrangements on both sides.
That guidance is expected over the coming week, which may paint a picture of how summer 2020 will look. Jackie Fox, RTÉ News.